Hello guys, what's up? So Instagram do have a new feature called Reels, and yes, it's similar to TikTok, kind of similar to TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch Reels on Instagram. And if you don't have Reels yet, you can check my previous video. I'll give the link to the video on the description box below, how to get Reels on Instagram. So to watch Reels on Instagram, you just have to go to your Explorer, and that's it. Here you can see Reels. Just tap on the Reels video, and you can use swipe up and swipe down to change between the videos. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can watch Reels on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.